Hello to all, hope you all doing well. Before starting our lecture, you all know what to do: like and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Okay, so today we will study fundamental. Okay, so we were studying explain the level of disease prevention, right? I hope you remember. So we have studied till the definition, right? Introduction and definition. So now we will start the level of disease prevention. Okay, yeah, so let's start. Level of disease prevention. Okay, how how many level? 3 level: primary, secondary and tertiary. And how we are gonna prevent the disease condition of our patients, let's see. So definition of you will make a box like this, and primary, secondary, tertiary, and you will write the first box is for features. Okay, so let's start with the definition of primary, secondary and tertiary prevention. Definition: action taken before any evidence of disease. Okay, before any sign and symptoms, action taken, like spreading awareness, health education. So this is called primary education. Before any sign and symptoms, we are just protecting our patients from getting infected with any disease. Now secondary prevention. Secondary prevention definition: action taken after disease starts but no symptom is showing. Okay, disease has started but no symptoms is showing till now. We can do any diagnosis test. We can do any kind of test, and it will detect that the patient is suffering from this condition, but till they have no sign and symptoms. So this is called the secondary prevention. Let's move to the tertiary prevention. Yeah, tertiary prevention definition: action taken after disease sign and symptoms showing. Okay, means this is the danger stage, you can say. So after the disease condition infect the whole body, sign and symptoms is showing, this stage is called tertiary prevention. Okay, now let's start the aim of primary, secondary and tertiary prevention. So let's see. The primary prevention aim is reduce or remove risk factors, like giving health education, spreading awareness. We can reduce or remove the risk factor, right? And the secondary is early detection. We can avoid further damage to our patient. Okay, avoid further complication. And for the tertiary prevention, to prevent danger, like death can also happen, so to prevent danger. Okay, I hope it's clear. The next one is example of every level of a disease. Okay, now I will tell you, I will give you a disease condition. I will show you the in that particular disease condition, the first primary stage, secondary stage and tertiary stage. Let me show you. It will make that clear. So advice for low sugar intake to a patient to prevent diabetes. Suppose a patient who can who is at risk of getting diabetes. So advise them to for low sugar intake. So we are spreading awareness, giving them health education to prevent the risk factor. Now the patient have sugar right now, so check sugar level in every checkup visit. Okay, to avoid further complication. Now the patient is also showing sign and symptoms of disease, so help diabetic patient to control sugar level to prevent serious condition, like giving insulin, giving medication. So yeah, now let's study the primary prevention in detail. Okay, so let's study with the definition. Let's start with the definition. Definition of primary prevention, you can write what we have studied in the box just before. Here, before any evidence, action taken before any evidence disease. Okay, so after the definition, two way we can achieve primary prevention. Okay, one is health promotion and the second one is specific protection. So health promotion means protect health by spreading awareness, promote the health. Okay, health, we see now that film stars, actors, movie stars, promote their movies, right? Promote their movies in every TV serial, in every show. So yeah, by like that we can protect our health by spreading awareness. We will spread awareness about our health also. We will promote health. Okay, the specific protection means protect from any particular or specific disease. Means like I have told you just right now, just about diabetes. So protect from that particular disease, diabetes. So that is called specific protection. Okay. Okay, A is health promotion, right? Health promotion, nurses role. What are the nurses what is the nurses responsibility? Okay, let's see. First one is giving health education, lifestyle change. Okay, by giving them health education we will change their lifestyle, safe environment, okay, and proper nutrition. Specific protection, immunization, protect against accident, maintain hygiene. Like that we can give them specific protection. I hope it's clear. And the secondary prevention, I will explain it in my next video. Thank you.